In the heart of care where compassion meets skill, Nurse Voice Academy's here, with wisdom to instill, white coats, warm smiles, ready to embrace every challenge, every triumph in this healing space. We are the guides in the journey of health with Nurse Voice Academy. You're never by yourself. Tips and tricks, knowledge so vast, with our help you're sure to pass. Stethoscopes in hand, we listen to the beat of a heart that's strong, a challenge we'll defeat. From the books to the bedsides, our journey's clear, empowering nurses far and near. When the night feels endless and the tasks are tough, remember our voices, gentle yet enough to light up the path to the peak of your goals. With Nurse Voice Academy, you're playing the leading roles. We are the guides in the journey of health with Nurse Voice Academy. You're never by yourself. Tips and tricks, knowledge so vast, with our help you're sure to pass. So let's raise our voices in unity and pride for every nurse's journey with Nurse Voice Academy.